All right, welcome. Hi, everyone. This video is just going to be a fairly brief introduction to buttons and the bang message and order of operation in Max. So again, start doing a few things, working our way up to making notes. So the button is a simple interface element for triggering events. You click on it, it flashes and sends a bang message. Anything comes into it triggers a flash and sends a bang message. That's all it does. So it's up here in the element or the icon tool set, or you can type the button B and just make it a little bit bigger. Just lock the patch, and you can see it light up. If I click anywhere in the rectangle, it's going to light up. Unlock, I'm going to attach it to a print message, or print object, I'm sorry. And what that's going to do is flash when I click it and print bang in the Max console window. So just that's all it does. It's just going through there. Started doing this, and it's kind of useful if I in the unlocked patch I'm adding a comment. I can go type something in, click out of the comment box, then go in, then reselect it, go into the inspector, and change it to a bubble comment, which adds like a dialogue, comic strip dialogue box. I can adjust what side it points, and where, if I drag on the decimal place, where it points in terms of angle, with 5 being in the middle. So adjust that. Now, to talk about order of operation, going to set up something. I mean, we've been going through with the Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, just something's at the top. When you enter something in, it flows down, an object's function is triggered, output sends out, another object is triggered. So everything we've done has just been in one, say, limb of a tree. So let's do something that kind of branches out. I'm going to add an integer number box. That integer number box is going to go to 3 different subtraction objects. And type new, subtract space. Let's just say 1. And then another one that we're going to say subtract 5. Another one we're going to subtract 10. But we're going to put a space in there. So now when I do this, there's three outputs from the number box. The order that they're going to go out is one at a time, right to left. And this is sort of a foundational principle in Max. Whatever's graphically to the right most output is going to happen first. You can add buttons to C. I'm just typing B for button. All right. And now if I lock the patch, type in, say, a 10, they appear to all happen at the same time, but really the one on the right's happening first, the middle is happening second, the one on the left's happening third. So I'm going to go in and make this a little clearer. I'm going to take out the buttons, and I'm going to add print objects. So first I'm going to add an integer box so you can see the value. And connect those. And then I'm going to add print objects. And I'm going to label the print objects. Provide an argument, and that argument becomes the label you'll see when the data prints in the Max console. stretching things out here. So I'll do another print object. Call it, say, the other one. And over here, add another print object that I'm going to call that one. So again, these arguments are just labels. Print is still going to do what it does, print whatever message comes in into the console. But we're going to see now when I re-enter the 10, I'm typing out 10, hitting enter. And we can see in the print, it shows us what happened first. The subtraction number connected to that one is 0. The other one comes second, is 5 and comes second. 10 minus 1 is 9. This one is third. And so what happens is when I enter the number, it's being sent to the subtraction object first, this one on the right. It is executing, displaying its result in the number box, and then sending that to print. And when that is done, there's no more things on this tree. It goes to the second outlet from right and does its subtraction function, displays it in the number box, and sends it to the print message. Then when that is done, does the next outlet, moving from right to left, this is the last one in this case, subtracts 1, displays the number, sends it to print. And we can see that with these labels. Whereas when I hit the bang button, print has no label. It uses its label print. It says it received a bang message. Thing to remember then is I can take all of this, copy it, rearrange this order. So say I move these over here now. And move that one over there. Doesn't matter the distance, but if I lock the patch, enter in a number, I want to use the same number, 10. Now you see that this one goes first, that one, this one, that one is second, the other one is third. Can clear it so you can go back again. So this one, rightmost outlet, rightmost patch cord of the 3 from the same outlet, then the middle, then the end. All right, so this is just a way of controlling data flow and the order that things happen so that you have predictability by moving these things around. And this is kind of a foundational thing in Max. That's all I have for this one. Going to move on with some general MIDI and making notes in the next video. Bye.